Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable direct messages on Twitter so people who don't follow you or aren't followed by you can still send you messages. If you enjoy tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Let's jump right in. First, open the Twitter app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to bring up the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Next, under Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage how people interact with you on Twitter. Scroll down until you see the option for direct messages. Tap on it, and you'll see an option called Receive Message Requests. By turning this on, you're allowing anyone on Twitter to send you direct messages, even if they don't follow you and you don't follow them. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Twitter tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.